Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Good.
It's hot out already.
Yeah, it is going to be
humid.
A cooker today.
I know. What do you say, 33?
33 Celsius, yeah, which
Like,
I don't know what Fahrenheit is, but by the time this video comes out, I'll have it displayed along the bottom of the screen.
around 1,000.
So yeah, so you know we're gonna have troubles with the dash cam today because it's gonna cook in here, and the GoPros, they just don't like the heat when in the summer the dash cam, it likes to shut off while we're at the sale, and then we get back to the truck and it's totally off. We got to turn it back on, and it'll only run for like 10 minutes. So, but we'll see. We'll try our best to keep it cool. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Let's go.
Okay. This next sale has furniture listed as with the things added, so we'll see what kind though.
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Morning.
Hello.
Hi. What are these? Oh, they're just hanging. Yeah. Oh, look at that's made out of a fork.
Oh yeah. Neat.
Yeah, it's a bracelet.
It's pretty neat.
It is. I don't know how you get it on though.
Yeah. It's a pretty small
Oh
wrist.
my God, yeah.
Oh yeah, lining it up with
Maybe for a kid.
Yeah. Well, that part looks right, but those are sterling. They're kind of weighty. But they're $5 though. I don't want to. I don't want to pay $5 for them. Do you?
No.
Do you want some nail stuff?
Okay.
Oh, is this black? Midnight blue.
That might look nice.
Yeah, that's the color of my hair there, I think. Oh yeah, it's still sealed. It's so bright out, goodness.
Yeah, it's already pretty hot.
Yeah, thank goodness it's breezy. I mean, it usually is here, but usually it picks the days when it's super hot, and then all of a sudden there's no wind.
Yeah. Hey. There's another one. Always finding those, giving them away to people.
Yeah, look how much it was.
Yeah. $24 US, $27 Canadian.
I wonder if the U.S. knows that we have to pay more for books. Every book.
I'm sure they do.
And magazines too. I don't know. Why would they know? Unless they come here, but.
You don't know.
Wow. I'm just looking at those strawberry shortcake cookies.
Cookies? But they're open, so.
Strawberry shortcake.
Kettle corn and cherry coke.
What?
Yep.
Oh my God. He'll want the cherry coke. Well, he'll want both probably.
Cherry Coke Oreo.
Yep.
Never
And
heard
if
of
you
such a
separate
thing.
it and lick it, they taste different. Like the red tastes different than the white. You want to try?
No, thank you.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. I'll try one of those kettle corn ones if I can.
Yep.
Wow. That is so strange.
Kettle corn Oreo.
Oh! The cherry Coke one is actually pretty good.
That's one I thought if you'd like. Yeah. Weird.
It's got Pop Rocks in it. Here goes the kettle corn.
You can try that one now.
Like popcorn. Weird.
Is it good?
It's interesting. I think I like the cherry Coke ones better.
Yeah.
Thanks for.
Grab a couple.
Whoa.
No, grab a couple. I bring so much home. It's unbelievable because you see stuff like this, and then I got a little boy. You just get sick of the after a while. But how do you say no? You have to try them, right? All I want is 2 or 3, but then you have to buy a whole freaking thing.
Well, thanks so much, man. That's awesome. Oh.
You can have my share.
I'm not hard to talk in.
Yeah, candies.
Thanks a lot. That's awesome.
What flavors?
That is so interesting. That is so strange.
You want to?
I've
I've become numb to it.
Okay.
I've become numb to it after 3 years of shopping down there, and at the beginning, yeah.
Who's the money taker?
I don't know. She was wearing a fanny pack.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, stay cool today, guys. It's gonna
Yeah, 33, I think.
be. All right, thanks. See ya. That was friendly.
Yeah, super nice.
Bunch of cookies.
Yeah,
Awesome.
you got cookies at
Cherry Coke Oreos. Like,
the
come
first
on.
sale. I know.
Never had heard of that such a thing.
Well, we don't get them here.
They're good too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll let you have them.
No, that's okay.
Okay, I won't.
Nah, I don't want to take those away from you, honey.
Oh, come on. I like to share.
With who? Do I know them?
Whatever. You're such a liar.
I'm just kidding. Okay. Well, universe wants me to have black hair still.
Or midnight blue.
Well, it's blue black, I think. Like, do they even need to have that? Depending on your hair color, it'll look exactly the same. So it has like your hair color here, and then when you put this on, what it's supposed to look like, and like it's black, right? So it's gonna, I can't see it looking too much different.
The after colors are all identical, no matter what color your hair was before.
Yeah. And this one.
Yeah.
It's such a good book. If you haven't read it, I highly recommend it.
And every time you find it at a garage sale, you buy it.
I do.
And then you give it to somebody.
I always seem to come across people that sort of need it at one point in their life or another, and I've even had friends ask me if I had any. Remember Nola asked me if I had an extra copy because she had someone that she thought needed it. So it's just a good book. Yeah.
Yep. All right.
Okay.
Next. Whew, it is getting hot in here.
Yeah.
Time to roll down the windows.
Yeah. This next one is supposed to have an antique dresser set at it.
Oh.
But we'll see what the cost is. Sometimes they want a lot. Is it right here? Yeah. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this one just started, so let's get in there.
Okay.
Ah, seatbelt wouldn't let me. Wouldn't let me out.
Ready?
Yep. What's that?
2 garage sales.
Oh, we'll go to this one first.
Oh, there you go.
Well, no price though. And it's the waterfall, which isn't as desirable, but it's in nice shape, sort of. See, this drawer is pushed in too far. Oh, and then there's the bed too. Looks like a double, so that's good. Yeah. Oh, and that.
Oh yeah.
I can race
For a bench.
that. Yeah, that's. Oh, here's the pieces for it right here.
Oh. It's nice and old.
Yeah, they go on that. It's a school desk,
ask
an old
about it.
school desk. Yeah.
Oh, it's a desk.
Yeah.
I thought it was a bench.
Well, no, not really.
Turn it into whatever you want.
Yeah. Oh my God. I always wanted one of these.
Put it on.
Well, I can't. That's I have my bun in. I guess for a kid, but that's awesome. I love it. How much are you asking for your dressers and headboard and footboard?
Murray, how much for the dressers? Did you mark them?
For like the whole set? Mm-hmm. What do you think for the whole set?
And that's your call.
200 for everything?
I'll have to look at it closer. And then for your desk, that old desk with the metal sides and the wooden seat, and it's a part?
That antique project.
Yes.
How about $5?
Yeah, that'll work. For
The
sure.
dust on it is free.
Yeah, that's the protective coating. That's what
That's right, patina.
Yes, exactly. Well, I'll take that desk and then I'll have a better look at the dressers and stuff.
Do you live in the area somewhere?
Got? Cool. Just gonna go and have a peek at the next
And the screws
next
are
door
missing,
stuff.
but
Oh,
they're
that's
just basic wood
that's
screws.
totally fine. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, how is it going today?
Good, how are you?
Not so bad.
Good, good.
The kitty, loving it out here in the warm.
Oh yeah, Dad got up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Isn't that always the way? Yeah.
Yeah.
Lay in the warm spot.
Right in the chair.
Yeah.
Yeah, his head button my hands.
What do you want to carry, the wood or the metal?
I can carry the middle.
Okay. I think I got the heavy thing.
Yes, I'm sure you do think that.
Oh, good. How dirty are those? They'll probably be fine in here,
Yeah, I
eh?
think they'll be fine.
Here, I'll put that so that they can lean against the garbage bag in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do we want to?
It's sticking out too far.
Yeah, I know. Maybe I should have spun them around.
Whatever you think. I don't know.
They're heavy.
Yeah, I know. Well, they're cast iron. Oh, I got that. There you go. I should be fine.
Okay.
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 Hey, look, I found some cookies.
I like cookies.
No, you don't.
You don't.
See, that's why it's the bag of awesomeness, because look what was in there.
Cookies and Rockstar.
Yeah. Doesn't get much more awesome than that. front and she jumped, so it must be pretty loud. Oh, you scared me. Oh, it was funny. I didn't even mean to, but it worked. And I like.
Whoops,
With
that
things.
scared the crap right out of
I'm gonna
me.
do it again. And again. Don't. Well, we're gonna have to adjust that because those will break.
Yeah, that's not good.
And then I'll break you.
You wish. You broke me long ago, baby.
It's good, but I built you up into a better man. Hey, you stopped wearing pink shirts, so
It was salmon.
you're welcome for that.
It was salmon. It wasn't pink. It's a powerful, manly fish that happens to be kind of pinky looking.
Surprised it wasn't a frilly lace cravat. That would have been in pink, like Austin Powers.
Well, they were sold all out of that one. Otherwise, it might have been.